on YouTube world. Same day, same tracksuit, same trainers, same bike location. We've done that in the previous video. Today's video is we're fitting RNG crash protection for the sides. One on the left, one on the right. And for this, you're gonna need Torx and another ratchet to get that bad boy added on. Now, I don't actually know what I'm doing, so I need to read through the instructions and figure this out. What I do know is without the Torx bits, you're not getting this off. So this is a T50 from Bosch. I'm still waiting for you to get at me. Put that in there, take that nut out, or that Torx bit out. Let me get myself set up and I'll get back to you guys. Now in the packet, as you can see, open that bad boy up, there's two. One big one, one small one. Now I've done all my YouTube video research and looked at the QR code situation on the inside before. Obviously I checked it out when the parcel came a week ago, just to see whether I'd be able to do it or I'd need to give it into the garage to do it, but I'll figure it out and I'm gonna do it. So the smaller one goes on the right hand side of the bike because the fairing's closed a lot more on that side. There's not a lot of space. Obviously here there's more space. Thus the bigger one, that one will go here if I can somehow get that out. But in the meantime, in between time, this one goes on the other side. Just take you guys around. I've left my chair over there. Now I'm on a knee. So this will go, this nut here will go on the inside and then this will sit like that way. I've swapped the bolt out. That will go like that. Originally it was here. Now it's gonna go there. Slide into there. That lock nut sits on the edge. Then all we're gonna do is tighten that up and then that will sit like that on the bike. Once we tighten it up, it will go a little bit further in. So I'm gonna tighten it up and I'll get back to you guys. So for this, you're gonna need a 17mm bit to tighten that up. There's no way I'm gonna attempt to do this with two hands, one with that and one with the camera. So let me get it ready and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. And also once it's done, there's gonna be a sticker that goes on there, RNG. But I'll show you that at the end. Right, I've tightened her up. Now we need to get out one of these bad boys. Again, with one hand, this is a bitch. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Typical Asian chair. If you know, you know. If you don't want to. Trust me. That now goes on there. So, again, with one hand, it's a nightmare. But there we go. The finished product. Locked on. Torque down. That ain't going anywhere. Now we need to figure out how we're going to do the other side. Okay, so the one side is done as you've just seen, but this side now is a complete fail. That bit isn't going to cut it. Look at the state of my hands and that. Mad. I'm going to need a proper Torx bit with the extended pole, pause and resume to get that off. I don't want to break the bolt because then we've got another problem on our hands. That probably cost £1 million from BMW and all, so I'm going to have to leave that side for now and try and get a proper one of these and then I can torque it down properly. So I'm going to end the video here with those two on, that not on, but that side on. So I'll catch you on the next one when I've got the proper bit. Peace.